Hello guys, this video is exclusively for those candidates who are going to appear in your upcoming West Bengal Public Service Commission Assistant Engineer examination. Okay, so in this video I will mention some of your queries and also my suggestion. You can consider it as last time suggestion and other information I think which are related to this examination, and you also need to know it. Okay, so at the very first I would like to thank each and every one of you who have supported me to continue this program. Initially this channel was not related to your particular this program, but as soon as the notification came out, I feel that I need to provide the last year questions so that the people like me who did not have any clue regarding this examination get some idea related to the questions, the answers, okay, and the requirement of this examination. And you know that I have started to solve the questions from last year, and that means from 2016, and I have completed almost up to 2001, though the last parts are remaining, and due to lack of time I cannot complete 1998 says. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that. And also it is true that the answers which I have provided is not 100% correct. There are lots of mistakes, and that's why I consider this journey is also helpful for me, because you know that I have passed in 2015 and it is 2020, so it is also difficult for me to recall all the answers. Though before answering each and every question I have studied, I have googled it, I have tried to find it from my notebooks, and still after that there are some mistakes which you have raised, and the people who have no idea about the question and also the answer has been benefited both from you and me. So thank you for trusting me as well as this channel. Now in the last post in my community tab, I asked you that at the last time if I can help you. So there I have got some comment, like someone has asked whether the calculator is allowed or not. Well, both normal and scientific calculator need to be carried, because last time, that means in 2016, when I go to the exam center, I came to know that normal calculator is allowed. Okay, so if you can carry your smartphone, you should also carry your scientific as well as normal calculator, because at the last time you do not know what will happen. Okay, so it is always best to be prepared for each situation. Someone has asked about the expected cutoff. Look, I have no idea, and also no one has any idea which type of questions are going to be asked this time. And once the exam is over, only at that time we can expect how much cutoff can be expected for general candidate. Okay, but my suggestion is please don't concentrate on this type of cutoff concept. Try to give your best. If you don't know the answer, please don't make any wild guess, because this particular examination is, I think, quite easy, and that's why the competition is very high. So maybe you guess some questions that it may be correct, but due to the negative marking you may not be qualified in your preliminary stage. So always better to answer only those questions about which you are 100% sure. Okay, there is also one more suggestion, that if there is any test series, look, for conducting any online test series there is a lot of requirement, like your server, your time. So both time and money is required. Really I don't have that much of time to make questions, set up question, and also I'm not that much financially strong to invest the money for conducting your online test series. And till if you find that you really need a test series, in that case my suggestion is go to a website, sunfoundry.com. I think previously I have also mentioned about this website in some videos. It's a really good website and completely free, okay. There are thousands of questions from different subject, from different topic, with answers and explanation. Okay, and if you really want to take mock test, in that case you simply need to register with your email ID. So this is a very good and affordable solution, I think, for only for those students who are thinking that they need to appear in some mock test, and for other students who are still who are still thinking that your preparation is not up to mark, you are not that much confident, don't worry, simply practice the last year questions. And if you have followed from the very first beginning of this series, in that case you are aware that lots of questions are repeated. Okay, so from 2016 to 1998, if you practice all of the questions, I'm sure that you will get 30 to 40 questions in common. Okay, so this is a very good tip for each and every candidate. Please don't forget to revise the last year questions. Okay, you are expected to revise all the last year questions, and the commission will ask at least 30 to 40 questions from last year. Okay, whether I'm correct or not, that will be proved only after examination. Okay, so please don't take any chance. So that's all for now. Wish you best of luck. If you still have any query related to any topic where you need some concept which need to be cleared from my end, please let me know in the comment box. And this is the preliminary stage. Once you clear, I hope each and everyone who have followed me will clear this preliminary stage. Once you have cleared this preliminary stage, please don't forget to let me know. Okay, because that will be my biggest success. Once you clear this preliminary stage, I will be dedicate this channel again for your interview purpose. Okay, so till then, stay healthy and stay blessed.